हेलो दोस्तों, हाउ यू होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। कैसे हैं? आई थिंक you all must be fine now. Today we will discuss about the things which you are looking at the board right now, and back up me is idioms and phrases. Dear all, idioms and phrases are very important things. If we use in the sentence while speaking or while making a sentence or making stanza or paragraph, it will be very helpful for us so that we can make a sentence beautiful. Okay, we can beautify the sentences. That is why it is very important for us, and stay with us and see the important idioms and phrases which are very important. Today we will discuss 5 or 10 idioms and phrases which would be very useful for you, and look at stay with me the last of the video. Now let's start. First one is a bed of roses. Okay, it is not riser, it is a bed of roses. Okay, a bed of roses means comfortable and easy work. You know, the work which you do, if it is very difficult or hard to do, you may say this is not a bed of roses. You may say the work of soldier is not bed of roses. The work of a good teacher is not bed of roses. Okay, bed of roses means very comfortable and easy work, which you may say simply. Okay, I hope you understood that. And second is that the a black sheep. Black sheep means a mean fellow. A black sheep means a mean fellow. I mean, if I talk about a mean fellow, that means a notorious person, a notorious friend. Notorious means you will say in Hindi that is called badnaam. Badnaam. Okay. If you will ask the Hindi bed of roses का मतलब very बहुत आरामदायक, comfortable, comfort zone. Okay. So a mean fellow means a black sheep. You may so that very notorious person. Suppose that anybody who is doing very bad work, every he is very renowned to know that whatever he does, he or she does, always just does strong, very notorious, very rough. So you may say that the he's a black sheep. Okay. For example, you may say that especially that the Tom left business and finally has the become a black sheep. Okay. Suppose that I have just given to you work. I've given work to you and you have left the work. Whatever just you are doing your job. If you are not completing your job honestly, if you are going to quit, you will be said you are a black sheep. Okay? You are a black sheep. Don't quit. Always focus towards work and do it very honestly. Okay? And next thing, a bolt from a blue. A bolt from a blue. A bolt from a blue. It means sudden or shock. Sudden or shock. An incident which makes you very shocked. Anything which happened in suddenly, you will say, this is a bolt from a blue, means sudden shock. Sudden shock. For example, if I talk about the example is sudden shock, you may say that her husband dead come as a bolt from a blue. Okay, suppose that I just been an accident, which which is also you can say whatever last day, it was a very critical accident in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and you may say Air India plane crashed. Well, crashed with I think 241 passengers and 10 crew members, and two pilots. They are also dead in that accident. It was very critical, and that is why we all have to bow down and pray to the God to the give the patience or consolation for the family of those who are suffering such kinds of the incident. That is we must have to. These are very critical condition for us. Okay, sudden. The incident which had happened last day, we can say it was a sudden shock. A sudden shock means a bolt from blue, a bolt from a blue. Okay, let me say the Air India plane crashed as a bolt from blue. Okay, and the next is a bone of contention means cause of dispute, झगड़े का जड़, a, a root of the problems, a root of the quarrels. It is very important for us if we will use such kinds of idioms and phrases in the sentence. Bone of contention is called cause of dispute. I hope you are getting well. These, for example, you can say bone of contention that the Suraj told me, said that Kashmir is a bone of contention between India and Pakistan, right? Kashmir is a bone of contention between India and Pakistan. Okay, suppose that there are three students, three person, and someone is going to uh, pull the leg of somebody, and make sure that you would be suffered with that. So you may say that he is the bone of contention between you and me. Let him make a way right now. Okay. Four. Let's see the next. Cause of dispute means झगड़े की जड़. Okay. बच्चों आइए एक बार हम हिंदी में इसको समझ लेते हैं, तभी अच्छे समझ में आ जाएगा. चारों अगर अच्छे समझ लेते हैं, पहला है, फिर पांचवें पे चलते हैं. अ बेड ऑफ रोजेस मतलब कोई आराम काम नहीं, कठिन काम, बहुत हिम्मत वाला काम. जैसे आप कह सकते हो सिपाहियों का जो सोल्जर्स का जो काम है वो फूलों की सेज नहीं है, इसको कहते हैं बेड ऑफ रोजेस. ओके, तो वर्क ऑफ सोल्जर इज नॉट अ बेड ऑफ रोजेस. टीचर्स बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, आपको पढ़ाते हैं, रात दिन एक कर देते हैं, फिर आप अच्छा मार्क्स लाते हैं ना, यू स्कोर गुड मार्क्स, टीचर्स स्टार्ट टीचिंग एंड मेक्स day and night they work hard, and because you can do the best for the country, you can make the nation very best. That is why you may say the work of teacher is not a bed of roses. And again, a black sheep, a person who is very lazy, who is not doing this work, who is very, a notorious person, means fellow. Okay, suppose that someone is in your, there are a lot of students in your class who do not work hard, they do not complete the homework. No, and just say that he is a black sheep, it is not complete work, a seed is not complete work. Next one is a bolt sudden. I told you last incident about the one bolt, sudden shock. Bone of contention, root of the quarrel, झगड़े की जड़. कश्मीर है जैसे bone of contention between India and Pakistan. Okay, अभी ईरान और I'm talking that the war is being start between Iran and Israel also. Palestine also, this they both, Palestine and Israel also both were fighting together. So dear all, let's see the next. Okay, next, cock and bull story, unbelievable story. Cock and bull story means the story which can't be believed, and a story which can't be believable, which can't be believable. Okay, suppose that suddenly a person just come to you and start telling a story about the, about in your family. Suppose that in my family or somebody going to death, or anyone's family, somebody is going to death or an accident. In that, in this story you will not believe, no, you were just telling a lie because it can't happen. So we'll say that no, 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 cock and bull story, you are speaking cock and bull story, don't, this can't be happen. Suppose I said to you that the last day, suppose that in the last day, the incident was happened 1:30 approx, 1:31 approx, and the same time I made you call that the plan of Air India crashed in Ahmedabad. While after 1 minute of takeoff, it crashed, and you will listen that no, it is it is an unbelievable story. You may say that it is the cock and bull story. You may say that the cock and bull story. Okay, this story is like cock and bull. Okay, now dark horse. A dark horse means a man with hidden ability. छुपा रुस्तम, you may say that. Dark horse means छुपा रुस्तम. भाई तुम तो छुपा रुस्तम हो. छुपा रुस्तम में से, राइट. छुपा रुस्तम. डार्क हॉर्स, मैन विद हिडन एबिलिटी. कोई क्वालिटी है जो बता नहीं रहा, सडनली आया, ओ यू आर डार्क हॉर्स. डार्क हॉर्स, नो. ओके, समझ गए. तो वीडियो बहुत ज्यादा लंबा नहीं करेंगे, 6 देखो. बाकी ये वाला नीचे के 7-8 दूसरे वीडियो में हम समझेंगे. आई होप कि यू आर जस्ट गेटिंग मी वेल. एक चीज और आई वांट टू टेल यू, लाइव क्लासेस विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स फ्रॉम 8 बजे से या 7 बजे से आपकी लाइव क्लास, 7 बजे से आपकी लाइव क्लास चलेगी, 7 से 8 या 9 बजे तक. आई होप दैट यू ऑल विल कनेक्ट विद अस. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर